on the bound 35, I always gotta turn this thing off. This is the next project, Sunoco gas station owner. We got an advanced system here. She will not spin. I mean, it's got a brand new starter. Everything's good to go. It'll spin one revolution and stop right in the compression stroke, and it won't go. I loosen the valves up a little bit, try to get a little bit of relief. I can get it to spin, then no compression. There's no in between there. So I did a little Googler, and then the cam's got a built-in decompressor on these. So I'm thinking the camshaft, it's got to be it, because I mean, I'm getting ready to pull the head right now, and I'll do another video after that. But geez, another one at it.